Hey, what's up, YouTube? I wanted to give you guys a little Firework stash for 2013. So, first thing I want to point out is this is my very first year going to rum and buying fireworks. I actually considered going to Area 51 and Blackjack because of Rudy D, RD13, Goonies, and 210. You know, you guys convinced me, and figured, why not? And so the first place I went to was Area 51. Area 51 has a lot of stuff, and what I ended up picking out was the inside Area 51 assortment, which came with these super Magnum 12-shot artillery. Came with this world-class super gun, triple break, 6 shells. Came with these super Magnum assorted 12 shots. Came with these super gun double breaks, 6 of them. And they also came with these super Magnum 12-shot artillery shells. Next, the cakes. The very first cake it came with is this one right here called Cowboy. 500-gram cake by Whole Glass. The next one is Royal to None. 33 shots, 500 grams, Whole Glass. Next is Cruelty Devil by Cutting Edge, another 500-gram cake. Next is Rattler by World Class. I don't really see how many shots it has. Next, the Good Stuff, 500-gram heavyweight, also by World Class. The Big Package, another World Class 500-gram cake. Next one, Attitude Adjustment, by World Class, another 500-gram cake. Next one, Hot Blooded, World Class, another WC, that 500-gram cake. Next one is Shedding the Light by Cutting Edge. By World Class. That's 14 shots. I don't know if it's 500 grams. Okay, it is 500 grams. It is. You guys just have to trust me now. Okay. The next one, Instant Winner by World Class. This is 16 shots. And I do not know how many grams are in there, but okay. Also, these 200-gram cakes. This is one of them, Afterburner by Boomer. This one, called Eye of the Tiger by Boomer. Penny Pincher by Boomer. Gone Bananas. See that? I'm sorry. Let me get in here. This is called Warhog Motorcycle. This one is called, this one right here is called Turning Heads. And then this one's called Purple. Also, this one, Pure Enjoyment, 350-gram cake. This one right here, the Money Man, another 350-gram cake. And this one, Get Up and Go, World Class 350-gram cake. So that's pretty much inside Area 51 box that I purchased from Area 51. I bought it wholesale, which is much cheaper than buying it retail. If you guys want to know any prices on that, just send me a message. I'm going to tell you guys all that. And also, what else did I pick up? Okay. I picked up I picked up these 16,000 firecracker roll by Reaper Doom. Also at Area 51. I bought it wholesale price. I'm telling you guys want to buy wholesale, it's much cheaper than retail. Much cheaper. See, what else did I buy there? Okay, here we go. One perfect thing. This cake right here, I really liked it. My brother's, and it's 30-degree shot. I really liked it a lot, and I just had to buy a case, you know. Once you get there, you look at a price, and buy one, get one free. You're not supposed to, you know, buy by the case. It's much cheaper, and it's more for the one you want more. So I also bought that at Area 51, and I also bought a case of this one right here. See that? Homie Hookup by Alien. That came in a case of 8. So I picked that up. I was just 500 grams for 8. I just can't miss that. You know, you gotta get it. So I picked that one up. Also from Area 51. And last thing is this one right here. Lots of love. I've got a case of that 23 shots, the brand new cake by Brothers. And it came in a case of 2. I liked it. I saw it. I was like, you know, I gotta get it. So I got a case of that. Really good price too. So, you know, can't go wrong. So that's pretty much what I got from Area 51. You know, if you guys have any questions, you know, leave me a comment or send me a message. I'd like to thank Judah 10, Rudy D, RD13 for talking to me about Area 51 and, you know, giving me all these tips and advice on going, because I'm not kidding, I was kind of nervous and scared about going. I didn't know how it was going to go, so. But this is Area 51, and I'm also going to make the second part to this, which is what I picked up at Blackjack. Alright, peace.